Вот. Кран.
Опа, блядь! Ебать!
You alright?
You alright? Guarda, guarda, guarda! Salgan! ¡Cuidado! Ahora, dale. Vai Deus, let's check.
How many concrete workers does it take to stop a Zamboni?
Oh God.
Oh, apparently one more.
It's a big work stoppage here.
Let me count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 people are now watching this.
Let's see what's going to happen.
16.
Okay, now someone's going to put a stick in there.
We're walking away.
Somebody's got a big stick. A lot of activity. Okay.
Okay, who got hired
Intervention.
last? And who gets paid the least? Okay, we're going to try a bucket of water. Hang a bucket of water on the handle.
Actually, I think. Oh, here comes a big stick. Here comes a big stick.
They're going to drown it with acid. We're going to try the big stick theory. He's going to go flying across the... Try to kill the engine with water. And hit the big stick.
Jesus Christ.
Okay, now we're going to smother it with a tarp. We've now angered the machine. The machine is now angry.
You dumbasses.
This is hilarious. Okay, we're going to smother it with tarp.
This is actually going to work, I think.
Oh, there we go. No.
Oh, in the
Oh,
hole.
oh, right him in the hole.
Oh, right him, cowboy.
We've now got him in the hole. Spin. Oh, ole. 8 seconds. 8 seconds is what we're looking for. He is now blinded and mad.
I can't get you. Oh, this is... This is this has got to be YouTube, man.
The film is rolling, Howard.
All right, now we're going to. Now that we've irritated him, thrown him in the hole. We're up to 18 people now.
It'll run out of gas eventually.
Grab it. We got $50 to the first person to grab the tarp. $50 and a free lunch.
Screw it, man. I don't got any benefits.
I got it good.
Oh my gosh, we're still going now. It's not going down. It's fighting. The lions around the injured gazelle.
Okay.
Well, no, there we go. $50 to the gentleman with the antlers.